Love it. Like visiting Sophia after the hospital visit.
And then the creamers like in the row comes for dinner. Yeah. We have the cherries so wet.
They get like
I love them.
They put like 5 of them in their Shirley Temple.
Yes.
That's how you know it's
Haley
good.
asked for extra. Wait, is it?
I asked for 10 one time.
Did they give it all 10?
Yeah.
Really?
Did that? I think it depends on who like the bartender is. Like,
Dad, check out ice. Mom, check out ice. No.
Wait, I want to get a video of Gianna's face.
And this is Ava DR.
Yep.
Okay, back from Germany.
Yeah.
Oh, Annie. Oh, you're so cool.
Did you get it from Molly?
Pan down, pan down, pan down. Dinner party?
Yeah. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gianna. Happy birthday to you. I love it.
and the party hat.
I love that. Okay. I like the wrap.
I know.
What?
They're so pretty. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
Whose is that?
I know, they look like my
So pretty. What? Oh my gosh.
This? No.
This is some amazing art.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Where's this
How
from?
did you do that? I took them for the first Oh yeah, that's what I do. These are the best gummy bears. I know. Thank you. Wait, I'll put them all back in the bag.
I want to get that. I don't have a cool enough cake for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
For Okay.
They're bleeding now.
I thought she was like hating on him the other day.
Wait.
I think that's Lana's.
Okay.
Wait, can you redo that interaction again?
Wait, ready? Oh my gosh.
Oh, thanks.
No, this actually. Oh my god.
I got other stuff. I got you other stuff too.
Yours is not perfect.
That is amazing.
You could do half up, half down. Like at, well, I guess you're not really going to the beach, but like on your next cruise or something. Yeah, like.
I literally saw those.
Yeah, they were at like the Wildwood Target or something.
We're going to like Maine, like Vermont, New York. It's gonna be so fun.
But
I feel like I did yours too. Like you can't even tell.
yeah, exactly. Oh, because your middle name is Reese. That's what the thought was.
I love that.
There's all that. It's kind of giving you.
I have a pink champagne bag.
Oh, really?
Perfect. That's why you said pink champagne.
I shouldn't have used this filter.
I like the box.
Some earrings.
So cute. And I was running out of earrings too. I'll wear these all my each.
Yes, perfect. I feel like you have a lot of hoops, but those were like fun hoops.
Isn't that Kevin? Can I borrow that?
Yeah. Like, bro, that's like the
Bye. Already bought it for to borrow.
I love it.
It's so cute. It goes with the strawberry. Yeah, it goes with the strawberry field. I got it at the Kirkwood Farmers Market.
Stop! That's like the cutest thing ever.
Thank you.
Nah, you won. You won. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Shut up.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Okay. Perfect.
I just remember